Welcome to the best picks. The best Challenger LED headlights is probably one of the most significant upgrades you can make to your vehicle's lighting system. They offer superior brightness and clarity compared to traditional halogen bulbs, enhancing visibility and safety on the road. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Challenger LED headlights, exploring their features, benefits, and what makes them a top choice for drivers seeking improved illumination. Number 5. OPT7 Aura Pro Halo Lights for Dodge Challenger. Transform your Dodge Challenger with the OPT7 Aura Pro Halo Lights. This system offers unlimited lighting effects, letting you customize your car's look. You can choose from various modes and colors to match your style. Take control with the OPT7 Glow app or the included remote. The app supports iOS and Android, offering an infinite spectrum of colors and effects. The remote lets you switch between colors and modes easily. These LED strips are built to withstand the elements. They are encased in durable silicone and feature waterproof connectors. This ensures that they provide brilliant, long-lasting illumination for your Challenger. Installing these halo lights is simple with the included brackets and zip ties. The inline fuse and 12V direct power harness ensure a safe and stable connection. It's designed for a hassle-free upgrade. OPT7 stands behind its products with a 1-year warranty and US customer support. These lights make a great gift for any Challenger owner who loves custom lighting. They are a perfect upgrade for any car enthusiast. What we like. This product offers an incredible light show with its app and remote control features. You can customize your Challenger's look with endless colors and effects. If you like to stand out from the crowd and want to express your personal style, you should consider this. What people say. Easy to install. Looks great, app is really good, installation is quick once you watch the YouTube video first. Remote works great as well. They even sent a reminder email to let me know they are still waiting for a response. They actually replaced my control box and in return just leave a truthful review. Number 4. Dodge Challenger LED Headlamps 2015 to 2020. Are you looking to upgrade your Dodge Challenger? These LED headlamps are designed specifically for the 2015 to 2020 models. They will enhance your vehicle's appearance while improving visibility. These headlamps help reduce accidents caused by bad weather. The bright lights ensure you can see and be seen, increasing safety on the road. This will make driving safer. The black PP shell and scratch-resistant PC lens cover provide maximum security. The sealed structure prevents humidity, ensuring reliable performance in all weather conditions. This design ensures durability. These LED headlamps offer a superior lighting mode compared to conventional headlights. The ultra-bright LED beads provide a brighter and cooler light. This will make your car look better. Installation is simple with a plug-and-play design. It fits Dodge Challenger models from 2015 to 2020, excluding factory HID headlights. You can easily install them without any drilling or modifications. What we like. This kit provides brighter and cooler lighting, enhancing your visibility on the road. It's designed for easy plug-and-play installation, making it a hassle-free upgrade. If you are looking for a simple way to improve your safety and the look of your Challenger, it's a great choice. What people say. The installation process was a breeze. I appreciated not having to remove the bumper, with clever adjustments like unscrewing the wiper fluid reservoir and removing the air intake, making the installation seamless. The wiring was straightforward, connecting to the passenger side reflector light. Very easy to install plug and play. The only thing I wish you could do red or white instead of having to pick one color. But other than that they're perfect. Number 3. VLINCAR Headlight Assembly for Dodge Challenger. This is the VLINCAR headlight assembly, designed for your Dodge Challenger. It's a brand new, high-quality replacement part. This assembly ensures optimal performance and safety on the road. This headlight assembly is compatible with Dodge Challenger models from 2015 to 2021. Make sure it fits your vehicle before purchasing to avoid any issues. It's a perfect fit for your car. The package includes one VLINCAR headlight assembly for the left driver side. It's a complete unit, ready for installation. You will get everything you need in the box. Installation is simple with a plug-and-play design, no modifications are needed. While it's easy to install, professional installation is recommended for the best results. It's designed for your convenience. The dual halogen beam and transparent lenses provide excellent light output. This improves visibility and enhances safety during nighttime driving. It helps you see and be seen. The OE part numbers are 68174065AG and 68174065AF, and the parts link number is CH2502267. These numbers help ensure you get the correct replacement part. It's a reliable and dependable product. What we like. This headlight assembly offers a straightforward plug-and-play installation. It features dual halogen beam lenses for enhanced visibility. If you are looking for a direct replacement that prioritizes safety and ease of installation, you should consider this. What people say. I love the way they look and everything worked well. Perfect light on a budget. The installation was easy. Number 2. AmeriLite Dodge Challenger Dual LED Headlights. Are you looking to upgrade your Dodge Challenger's headlights? This AmeriLite assembly is designed specifically for 2008 to 2014 models. It's a complete set for both the driver and passenger sides. This headlight features dual extreme LED halos and a sleek black projector design. The new aftermarket part is a direct OEM replacement, so it's easy to install without any modifications. This assembly is designed to fit your 2008 to 2014 Dodge Challenger. Please note that it does not fit models with factory xenon HID headlights. Rest assured, this headlight meets or exceeds DOT and SAE standards. This ensures that it is a high-quality and safe product for your vehicle. Installation is a breeze with this direct OEM replacement. You won't need to make any modifications to your vehicle. It's a complete set, ready to go. This product comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 90-day limited warranty. You can purchase with confidence knowing that it's backed by quality assurance. What we like. This product is a direct OEM replacement, ensuring a perfect fit without modifications. It meets DOT and SAE standards, guaranteeing quality and safety. If you want a reliable and easy-to-install upgrade that meets safety standards, you should consider this. What people say. I just got the headlight and installed really easy, just plug and play. I don't have daytime running lights, so I hooked the daytime lights to my radio fuse and it works just perfect. I love the new look. These were fairly easy to install. Elevated the look of our car. Bright. Number 1. VLAND Dodge Challenger 2008 to 2014 Headlights and Taillights. Upgrade your Dodge Challenger with these VLAND headlights and smoke taillights. They are designed to enhance both the look and safety of your vehicle. These lights are a perfect fit for Dodge Challenger 3rd Gen models from 2008 to 2014. They are compatible with various trims, ensuring a seamless integration with your car. Installation is easy with a plug-and-play design. You can directly replace your original factory headlamps without any modifications. No splicing is required. These lights not only refresh the look of your car but also improve safety with features like sequential indicators and LED running lights. They provide better visibility and a modern aesthetic. The lights are DOT and SAE certified, ensuring high quality and performance. They are made with durable materials and are fully sealed to withstand harsh weather conditions. The package includes headlights, taillights, user manuals, and all necessary accessories. You'll also receive a 12-month after-sales service for peace of mind. What we like. This assembly features a sequential indicator and LED running lights, adding a modern touch to your vehicle. Installation is simple, with a plug-and-play design. If you like to refresh the look of your car and change your car style, you should consider this. What people say. The headlights are a direct fit and very easy to install. The lights are bright and have a good beam pattern. The lights look great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.